chance to get a couple people to wave here. And this is the shipping warehouse, moving into the factory area. Shipping department here.
Somebody has in their possession highly sensitive, stolen information, which could help terrorists, which could lead to loss of lives, then it is right to do that. And that's what we're all able to do. And the White House acknowledged the British
More inventory.
a heads up about its plan.
There's more inventory for manufacture actually back here.
Deputy Press Secretary Josh Ernest took questions of the issue's office.
You see we're pretty full up here.
I got more politically motivated detention, and with regard to Mr. Greenwald's partner, we call them your law enforcement action. Given that the White House has never been shy about criticizing defensive policies overseas, do you have any concerns at all about the UK's law enforcement action in this case?
Well, what I can say is I don't have a specific reaction other than to observe to you that this is a decision that was made by the British government and not one that was made at the request or with the involvement of the United States government.
But you're not going to go as far as to say it's wrong or it's cause for concern. You're just separating yourself entirely from it.
Well, I'm separating. What I'm suggesting is that this is a decision that was made by the British government without the involvement and not at the request of the United States government.
Alan Rusbridger, can you respond to what the U.S. and British government said? Also, it was the day after Miranda was taken that you revealed